my first Nerf gun. I didn't buy it. Like Robbie just gave me this. It's I don't know what's his name. I don't know what's his name. Just like that, and then like that in the back. It's good too. See, like it's like so powerful. Like yeah, I always do tricks with that. And then wait, and then the next one, this one. Here, my dad buy this to me. That one, like it's a light. I don't know what to call this. Light, it's powerful too. Yeah, and then all my bullets is up here. I use them, so some of them are not there anymore. And then the third one is this. Rival. Yeah, it's the bullet is ball, and like if you use that, don't do it in a person because it's so if you do that it's gonna be gonna hurt a lot. Oh yeah, this is not a part of my Nerf gun, but this one, it's my katana. We just buy this. My dad buy this me. My dad buy this to me on the. I don't know if you guys know this, but like in the Light Lantern Festival. And then see, it's only like bamboo. I think yeah, it's like bamboo, and it can kill. But I don't want to do that. See, it's like, see, shing. We here too, see, shing, 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 shing. It's fast too, and I like katana much because they're like they have this, and then like it's long, and then they have this like stripe in here. I like when they have that. Guys, hope you like the video. Please subscribe, comment, like. Bye.